Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative with another Divi tutorial, and in this week's tutorial I'm showing you how to increase the height of the default height of the text tab when you're working in the Divi Builder in any text area. Let me show you what I mean by that. Actually, you can probably see it on this screenshot better than anything. So when you're in the Divi Builder in like a text module or a blurb module or any module that has a text area, there are two tabs, the visual tab and the text tab. And that text tab is actually probably should just be called HTML. Kind of like it used to be in WordPress in I think the classic editor. It was just either visual, I think, or text or something, and then HTML. So that tab is really hard to see in. Let me show you that. So I'll just open up the random page here on my demo site. And what I mean is if I had a lot of text, like even if this was longer, this expands fine, right? I'm in the visual tab by default. But if I click over to this text tab, look what happens. It's this high, and that's just how it is. So if I want to go down here, a lot of times I'm looking for something specific in the HTML, maybe a header or just whatever. That is annoying because see how it's tall and then short. So what you can do, well, you can obviously come here and grab this. I've found myself doing this over and over, right? So I'm in here and then I come back. Look at that. It literally reset it. Watch. See, it resets it. It's so annoying. So this solves that problem. Let's go back to the tutorial, which is linked in the description, by the way, if you're on YouTube. But basically, we're just making it taller by default with this code. So that's how simple it is. Copy the code and paste it into your website. If you need help with that, I have instructions here about how to paste the code into your website. So for me, since I'm doing this tutorial and I want to show you quickly, I'm going to use a Chrome extension. It's called User CSS, and it just works really cool for temporarily showing you something. So if I paste this in here, now I'm setting the default height. It doesn't like the Divi Builder. I'm setting it to 400 by default. So watch this now. It's not changed. I mean, it's not going down. It's fixed now. So if I change this to, well, 200, I can make it smaller. You've probably just seen it change, right? Let's change it again to 600, make it really tall. You can see that now every time I would go to that tab, it would be tall. So this is something that has bothered me for a long, long time, and I finally decided to do the tutorial on it. So I hope you enjoy it. As you probably saw, this is a feature that we have in Divi Assistant, our flagship plugin. It's really simple to do. You just go to the Divi Assistant overview screen like this, and then this is a utility helper, and it's in the Visual Builder sub-tab, and you can actually see it here, increase the height of the text tab, and I can say enable, and then here I can set whatever height I want to set, and that will be set across your site. You'll never have to worry about that again. All right, so I hope you enjoy that. Two solutions there, either doing it by code, or if you have the Divi Assistant plugin, you can just turn on the setting. And of course, you can import and export that when you set up new sites. So you can kind of have it as a default base when you start. So I hope you enjoy that little tutorial. If you do, let me know. I love seeing your comments. I try to reply to all of them, if maybe not all of them, but as many as I possibly can. And so, yeah, let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video.